The LG U20 and today I'm doing a video about the T-Mobile REVVL 5 Plus 5G for Metro by T-Mobile. So the fifth generation of the REVVL series is here. So the REVVL 5G Plus recently got launched at Metro by T-Mobile. So if you guys are looking to get an affordable 5G smartphone, this is the phone to check out. It's a very nice looking phone. So of course that's 5G, of course, 6.82 inch HD plus display, only 5,000 mAh battery. Those are the quick specs on the phone now. This phone was supposed to be released on July 12th. That's the day it's supposed to be released for Metro, and it's supposed to be released in T-Mobile on July 23rd, I believe. So, yeah. So, it finally showed up on Metro's website on the 16th of July. So, yeah. So it was supposed to come out on the 12th for Metro. So I was checking Metro's website multiple times a day, all week long, and I haven't seen it. And then on Friday, I finally saw it. I was like, thank God, about time they got this on Metro's website. So here it is. It's finally here. It's available now for $199.99 for retail price, or it's free when you guys switch to Metro. So affordable 5G phone nonetheless. So like I said, take out naturally your front facing camera. I want to say power and battery because on the right side of the phone. I want to say that has your lock screen there, very nice looking lock screen there on the right side of the phone. Has your power button right there. Pretty nifty color. That's a pink power button, of course. So very easy to find it. I'm guessing the volume keys is on the left side of the phone. I'm guessing I'm saying on the right side here. So yeah. Then on the back of the REVVL 5 Plus, it has looks to be like 3 cameras. So you guys got your 3 cameras in the rear. Triple camera there. It has AI on it. It has a camera flash on the bottom of that. It has like the Galaxy S20 camera sub there, just a bit there. Yeah, so pretty cool there. It has a T-Mobile logo on the rear. It has like this maroon and magenta pink color on the rear with the red and pink stripe on the back of it. Really nice looking back. Really nice looking phone overall. Take it to the left side now. You do get your micro SD card and some card slot. And your volume keys is on the left side. It's kind of hard to tell here, but I think your volume keys is on the left side of the phone. I know it's hard to see in this picture here. So yeah, and then we take it to the front on the top. And I say and no one has to take. I don't know why it has to load this part, but whatever. I say that. So the iron blast or a microphone. I don't know. Probably a microphone, I guess. Because an IR blaster form phone is now rare. The V20 was the last one I knew that had an IR blaster. So that's probably a microphone on top of the phone there on the top. Yeah, on the bottom you guys have a headphone jack, which is very nice to have because a lot of phones now don't have a headphone jack, but this one does have one, so that's really nice to have. Have your microphone, your Type-C charging port, and your speaker on the bottom now. So pretty nice looking phone there, you know. So it says here, our most affordable 5G smartphone just got even better, introducing REVVL 5 Plus 5G by T-Mobile. I think TCL makes this phone, I believe. I think TCL makes this phone here, so pretty cool. They're very nice looking phone. You guys have 5G, of course, so that's a nice on point. First one is 5G connectivity. For $200, that's a fucking steal right there. 6.82-inch HD plus display, 5000 mAh battery, 2.8 GHz octa-core processor, triple camera on the rear. So yeah. So if you guys go to a merchant store and y'all got switch, y'all got to get the REVVL V Plus for free. So that's a win. That's definitely worth it. $200 is worth it as well. So pretty cool offer there. And here are some more features and specs on the REVVL V Plus. You guys have a 6.82-inch HD plus display in the rear, true to life visuals in the REVVL V Plus 5G. What a name, right? 5 Plus 5G. That's a crazy name, but pretty nice. So like I said, fingerprint and facial recognition. So your power button is your fingerprint sensor as well. So that is pretty cool. So like I said, a fingerprint sensor and facial recognition. So not bad for $200. Make securing your phone easier with Face Unlock or use the fingerprint sensor. Store more. Get more memory with 64 GB of storage, expandable up to 2 TB with micro SD cards. You guys get 64 GB of storage. So take advantage of the micro SD card slot, which can be expanded up to 2 TB. That's a lot of storage there. So 5000 mAh battery, fast charging battery keeps you on the go. Alright. Epic views in the palm of your hand. Enjoy true to life visuals on REVVL 5G, on REVVL 5 Plus 5G. Vivid immersive 6.82-inch HD plus display. That name's gonna confuse my ass. REVVL 5 Plus 5G. That's not it's gonna confuse my ass. So yeah. What a name, right? What a name for a phone. Says less time charging, more time doing what you love. Supercharged performance with a 5000 battery, 18-watt fast charging capability. Ultra fast speeds, supercharged performance. It expands America's largest nationwide 5G network with the over 5 plus 5G, featuring incredible speeds powered by a MediaTek Dimensity 700 processor. So that's interesting. It has a MediaTek processor and a 2 GHz octa-core. So if you guys want to check out this video here, y'all can check it out. Also the REVVL 5 Plus 5G includes Metro Play. If you guys don't know what that is, it says get more from your new phone with Metro Play. This phone includes Metro Play, an app offering created content from over 90 of today's most popular channels, all for free. You guys can learn more about it by clicking learn more if you guys are interested in that. Check it out. It's cool. You know what I'm saying? Specs on this phone are pretty good. This is a budget phone, guys. Okay, here we go. So you guys do get 64 gigabytes of RAM. Okay. 64 gigabytes of RAM. I'm gonna say 4 gigabytes of RAM here. 6.82-inch HD plus display. Triple cameras in the rear, 13 megapixel rear-facing autofocus camera with LED flash, 5 megapixel front-facing camera with gesture shot and software light. Y'all guys probably have a depth sensor and a macro lens in the rear. I'm guessing. They don't tell you what the cameras are, they don't tell you what each lens is, so I'm assuming a depth sensor and a macro lens in the rear. Like I said, up to 2 TB of external memory via micro SD. Take advantage of that. With hotspot 13 hours of talk time, and with 2 GHz octa-core processor. The REVVL 5 Plus 5G weighs 7.23 ounces. And here are some accessories on the regular 5G Plus right here. Y'all got to see some cases and stuff, and earbuds and whatnot. Y'all guys might be able to go to Amazon and find these accessories for the phone, but y'all got to try Amazon. Well, y'all could probably try TCL, what I'm saying, and see if they have anything in there. I don't know, but that's pretty much it for that. Also, there you guys have it. It's finally here. The T-Mobile REVVL 5G Plus. The T-Mobile REVVL 5 Plus 5G is here. It's available now for $199 minimum for retail price, or it's free. It will be switch to Metro, so a great pickup for if you guys are looking to get a budget 5G phone. This is a nice looking phone. Pretty good choice for what it is. This is a very nice looking phone, and I think it's worth it for penny over here. So this is a budget phone, guys, so you keep it in mind. It's functioning pretty good. Yeah, this is the 5th generation of the REVVL series, so that's kind of insane. So I think TCL makes this one, I guess. TCL Coolpad, I don't know. But yeah, very nice looking phone overall. And I think it's worth the money, so check it out. And it should be coming to T-Mobile on the 23rd of July. So hopefully it'll be there on time. But we will have to wait and see. So yeah, that looks like that's pretty much it. So there you guys have the T-Mobile REVVL 5 Plus 5G. It's now available at Metro by T-Mobile. So check this phone out. It's definitely worth every penny of it. If you guys want a cheap 5G phone, here you guys go. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.